Hi guys, now we are going to see about OSI model. How the OSI model is a basic model, how it is changed to TCP IP model, we can see about this, okay? At the same time, what are the layers it consists of? OSI model is a basic network model. Why we are going for network is the main thing. The networking is needed because whenever we want to connect with any other system or overall the world, now the internet, we are working more with internet, Wi-Fi, um, and also with mobile data. All these are consist of networking only. Okay, so networking is a basic, we know that. Now we can see the basic model of OSI. In OSI model is a why we are going for OSI model. This is the basic model for networking. Okay, it consists of 7 layers. That is the physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. Okay, in this, the application layer, presentation layer, session layer, we are calling these 3 layers as a upper layer. Okay, and this transport, network, data link layer, and physical layer, these are called as trans transport service layer. Okay, because the OSI model which we are seeing at the 3 models which are 7, 6 and 5, these 3 models, why we are calling as upper layer. In this upper layer only, all the data, where to go, what to do, what we are giving, all these are processed. After that, this other 4, it is for servicing. Okay, when we are sending a data from a client to a server, or from a sender to a receiver, these are the things which will happen. Okay, so that why we are saying that is the upper layer that can be seen, that can be known by us, but this service layer that cannot be seen directly by us. Okay, so this is the 2 layers they are separating. Now we can go with this. When we are typing a raw data, okay, what the data will be? That data will be changed from the application to presentation to session. Okay, these 3 layers will take care of the data, where to go, to whom to go. All these things is decided by these 3 layers. Okay, from this transport layer, some of the things are added with the data, with our raw data. What that is added? Well, in each of this, TCP is added, then IP is added, then Ethernet is added. That Ethernet is known as the MAC address, that is also added. And in physical layer, it also combined as zeros and ones, and they are joined and they are transferred to a sender. Okay, when the sender, this process is called as encapsulation. Okay, this is known as encapsulation. When the sender receives it, then it is changed. It had to be come to the raw data. No? That data, that process is known as de-encapsulation. Okay, that is known as de-encapsulation. When the de-encapsulation happens, what it is happening? From this, there will be also a 7 layers. Okay, in that physical layer, zeros and ones are changed to the data link layer. In the data link layer, Ethernet address, that is the MAC address, is removed. In the network layer, IP address is removed. In the transport layer, TCP, the protocol address is removed. Okay, then the raw data will be visible to them, but whatever and all we are adding and removing, it is not known to the user. Okay, that is known as the layer work. That is the transport service layer work. Okay, now you understand what I'm saying, isn't it? This is what, when the data, okay, first we are typing, no, that is known as data. When it is transferred to TCP, that is transport, no, that is transport layer. In this TCP protocol, what it has happened, it is changed to a segment. What it is changed? It is changed as a segment. Okay. When it is moved to the network layer, it is changed as a packet. What is called as packet? When it is MAC address is added, then it is called as a frame. Okay. These are the things, the names which they are giving to this. Okay. What are the address we are adding? It is changed as a data is changed to segment, segment is changed to packet, packet is changed to frame. Okay, then it is changed to zeros and ones. Now, when decapsulation, de-encapsulation, what it will happen? It is changed as a from backside, that is from frame to packet, packet to segment, segment to data. Okay, that is what it is happening in this layer. Okay, this is what the basic work of OSI model. Now we can go to TCP IP model. Why it is transferred to TCP IP model? These three layers, that is application layer, presentation layer, and session layer, no, these three are combined and they are called as application layer. Okay, that is what I have shown in the down application layer. When that is transport layer is set as a transport layer only. Okay, then the network and data link layer, that is changed as a internet. Next, the physical layer and data link layer, that is called as network access layer. So this is the TCP IP model, which is derived from the OSI model. Okay, all the people will access the data. So to know, to keep in mind, we can say the code I have written down. See, all people seem to need data processing because all are using data. The phone data which we are calling others is also a data. We are processing means we are calling them, we are speaking to them, we are messaging to them. These are all the processes. Okay, this is the general thing which we are already regularly doing. So we can take it as this. All people seem to need data processing. So all application layer, people, presentation, scene, session, transport, to, okay, need network, data link layer, processing, physical layer. So you can easily remember these are the things which is happening in YSI model. Then you don't want to remember, don't want to memorize. It is a easy to know. That's what I am given in this short thing. So we can see each and everything, what is segment, what is data, how it is changed, how the packet is created. And for each and every transformations, we need routers, switches, hubs, and LANs. These and all, we can see each and everything. Next one. Okay. Now you understand, I think you will understand this. What is the OSI model? This is a simple thing which I had told you. We can go to the next sessions and we will know about other things also. Okay. Now, anything other than this, we can go off. Okay, guys, we can see later.